From a patented squeegee design invented in 1936, Ettore has grown to become the leading brand of window cleaning tools. Over the years, we have expanded our product catalog to include a variety of household cleaning tools, providing the same quality that we have always been known for. Today, family-owned Ettore still sets the standard as the market leader for offering the highest quality window cleaning and dusting tools available. In addition to using the same proven rubber compound that made us the original leader, every consumer product we offer starts out as a professional-grade solution that is proven in the field. We also take the time to build, test, and spec every part to ensure consistent high quality. We back everything we make with an unconditional guarantee. If for any reason you have a problem with your product, we do whatever it takes to make it right. No questions asked. But ultimately, what makes us the choice of both professionals and consumers alike is simple: proven quality. Clean with peace of mind. Clean with Ettore.